JSEAsy, job safety easy. Now that you have entered in your employees and subcontractors as shown in demonstration 1, we are going to show you how you can now easily benefit from the information. Let's say we need to send someone back to a job to fix a defect or undertake a small extra. We really need to send someone who has already been inducted. From the main options, click on Employee Site Induction Search. From here, we can select the company we are looking for, and a list will come up of who has been inducted. From there, we can quickly see who has been inducted and if their induction is current. Similarly, if you need to send someone to a job that has a particular license or qualification, you can perform a license and qualification search. This will quickly show you a list of who in your organisation is suitably qualified to undertake the task. With this and any section in JSEAsy, if you are not sure what to do, click on the information icon and this will take you to the corresponding page in the Learn and Support section of the JSEAsy website for more information. Thanks for watching.